I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking compatibility. Make sure your Android version and current launcher allow live or video wallpapers. Once confirmed, install a single reliable app that converts videos into live wallpapers. You don't need dozens, pick one and open it. Next, grant storage and wallpaper permissions when prompted so the app can access your MP4 or GIF. Once done, locate the video file inside the app's picker. If it's not visible, move the file to the main movies or DSIM folder and refresh the app. You now convert and fine-tune the clip. Import the MP4, then trim to a short loop. 10 to 30 seconds is ideal for smooth playback and battery savings. Next, select loop and mute unless you want sound. Make sure to enable any battery saver features the app offers so the wallpaper pauses on low power. Once configured, preview the result on the home screen and lock screen using the app's preview function. If it looks choppy, reduce resolution or length, then preview again. You're ready to apply. Choose whether the video wallpaper goes to the home screen, lock screen, or both, then tap Apply. After applying, make sure the launcher isn't set to a static image override. If it is, set the launcher wallpaper option to System or Live Wallpapers. If playback stutters, lower the file resolution or shorten the loop, and make sure battery optimization isn't killing the app. If the video disappears, revoke and re-grant storage permission. Then reselect the file inside the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.